I should go into that. My girls are so pretty. They are such monsters. Haida has Edward's eyes, you know that? Edward Cullen eyes. Look at her eyes. They do sparkle. Look at them. Muddy, you just mad. Oh shit, the bird! Muddy, he's coming up. They want our food. Oh god, I don't have it on my. Go away, don't pee at us.
Yeah, you're wet.
Look, he's coming back, guys. He's coming back. Haida, coming for you. That was funny. And you know what the best part is? I recorded it.
Why do you look so white?
Guys, I couldn't even get up because my top is off. I was like, oh god, my top is off. It was going to poop on me. The birds were going to poop on me.